his eyes.
Going to play ball and go by day.
He got up and wiped away his tears. He was frightened as he did not see the man coming.
Good idea. Going to play ball and go by day now. Con người giáo
vấn đề hiện giờ chỉ có hỏi những việc khác.
Vì họ mỗi đời ra mà nhiều lúc vấn đề hồi trái các cái con để lúc vấn đề lúc giờ
지금 계기고 분명히 지구가 지구를 보이자는 군네
유도 저거 괜히 주모할 주도가 결국뭐 이거 공부가
Ntxawg rolled his hand over the lake, and out came a beautiful flower. Ntxawg pulled the flower up and handed it to Ntxawg.
아유가 그거죠. 틀린 뭐 공부하는 거. 약간 사이즈가 두지도 약간 나라고 봐도.
Ntxawg accepted the flower from Ntxawg and bade him farewell. Into an empty pot that he had. Once he was done planting the flower in, he watered it and placed it close to the door. That night before Ntxawg went to bed, he said to the flower, The following morning, Ntxawg got up bright and early to go to the field. He grabbed his basket and garden tools. Making his way out the door, he looked at the flower. He knew he wasn't going to be home later, so he decided to water the flower. A while after Ntxawg left his house, the flower started to bloom. It bloomed so big that the flower turned into a woman. The woman was wearing bright, beautiful Hmong clothes and had on some jewelry. She got up from where she was and started walking about the house. She noticed that the house was a mess. Leaves everywhere, unwashed dishes, no firewood. Nkauj Zuag picked up a stick on the ground and turned it into a broom. She swept the leaves and ground, leaving it spotless. She then grabbed some water from the tub of water and helped wash Ntxawg's dishes. She stacked it all nicely next to the stove. After that, she went outside and found some wood and turned them into firewood for Ntxawg. After all the cleaning and organizing, Nkauj Zuag noticed that it was soon getting dark. She remembered Ntxawg telling her that he'll be home by sunset. She grabbed one of her bracelets and placed it on the plate. She blew out the bracelet and it soon turned into dinner. Nkauj Zuag walked towards the door in position positioned herself where the flower was that morning when Ntxawg left. With just 3 spins, Nkauj Paj turned it back into a pot of flowers. Not long after her transformation, Ntxawg returned home. When he opened the door, he stumbled going in. Ntxawg walked slowly into the house. He circled the house for a bit, and then finally realized that it is his house.
Ồ, nhưng nói như của chị, cái gì ở chạy ở chỗ đó, nên cái chỗ của chị phải cái chế của chị, nên cái món của nó thế. Đây là việc tôi có những sản phẩm của cái mình là chủ nhân cho.
Ntxawg sat down and started to eat his dinner. After a couple of bites, Ntxawg put his spoon down. He wiped his tears and started eating his dinner again. After he was finished, he placed his plate in a big bowl and said to himself, before going to bed, Ntxawg walked towards the flower. The next morning, Ntxawg got up earlier than before, grabbed his gardening tools, and headed towards the door. Before he left, he watered the flower, and like the day before, he told the flower he'll be back before sunset. Ntxawg went up to the house closest to his, knocked on the door, and an old lady opened the door. Có hái chị. Mình tôi cho cô nên lo ý là cô cứ tự tu va tu chế ông mà cô tự khen cho cô rồi có cho hả? Ông đó mà mua có tất cả cô hả? Ntxawg left the house and started walking towards the field. Throughout his entire walk to the field, he kept thinking and asking himself, who could this person be? He knew of no one else within the area, and he has no family to help him out. The thought of someone else in his house bothered him throughout the day. Back at Ntxawg's house, Nkauj Paj changed back into a woman again. Nkauj Paj helped wash Ntxawg's dishes and placed them like how she did before. Dan went into Ntxawg's bedroom and noticed that all he had was a pillow. Nkauj Paj took a piece of her hair and laid it down on the bed. She blew out the piece of hair and it soon turned into a blanket. Nkauj Paj soon realized that Ntxawg had little pants and shirts, most of which are already torn. Nkauj Paj grabbed his stick and turned it into a needle. started sewing Ntxawg's pants and shirt. After she was done, the pants and shirts looked new and clean. She then realized that it was almost time for Ntxawg to return home. She went into the kitchen and did her usual routine of dinner for Ntxawg. After she was finished, she went back to where the fire was and changed herself back into the flower. Soon after, Ntxawg returned home. He was again stunned at the transformation of his house. Not only has it become cleaner, the house itself looked nicer than before. He found dinner ready for him, but before he ate, he went to his room to put his garden tools away. When he entered his room, he saw his clothes on the bed, folded nicely and looking as nice as new clothes.
Anh thực sự hứng thú với các điểm, với kẻ trong chuyện buồn, cái cũng ra, cái mà nó có thứ lòng.
Ntxawg went back into the kitchen and ate his dinner. In between bites, he kept wondering who the mysterious person could be. Like the night before, Ntxawg went to water the flower before he went to bed. The next morning, Ntxawg got up and did his usual, got his garden tools ready, watered the flower, and left for the field. Ntxawg walked out the door, pretending to leave his house. He walked away from his house and hid behind a tree. He told himself to wait and see if anyone goes into his house. Back in the house, Nkauj Paj turned into a woman again. This time, however, she was feeling uneasy. Ntxawg Thiab Niam Nkauj started to do the chores around the house. When she got to the dishes, she accidentally broke one of the plates. Ntxawg heard the noise from outside and rushed into the house. When he entered, he saw Nkauj Zuag and his patients. He went over to her and grabbed her arm.